Hey guys, welcome back to the kitchen. If you're new here, welcome. And to my subscribers, welcome back. Today I'll be making some hot chocolate cocoa bombs. So if you like these types of videos, just keep watching. To make the cocoa bombs, I'll be using this Christmas themed silicone mold. I'll melt my chocolate in 30-second increments in the microwave and stir until fully melted. I'll also be using a bit of white chocolate. I'll add a few drops of the white chocolate to my snowflake mold and my gift mold just to give them a bit of dimension. I'll use a mini paintbrush just to get in between all the grooves of each of the molds. Tapping the molds helps to get rid of air bubbles. Now that I've filled the other molds, I'll use a separate brush for the milk chocolate molds, after which I'll place them in the refrigerator to firm up for 5 minutes and continue the process once again. I'll continue to add chocolate to the sides of the molds in order to form the perfect shell to hold the hot cocoa. I have to make sure the walls are thick enough so that when the molds are set, they won't break easy when I try to remove them. I'll then return this to the refrigerator for 5 more minutes. And now for the moment of truth. The molds have set, so I'll try to remove each one carefully without breaking it. One down, 5 to go. Oops, the present box was not so lucky. Luckily, I made an extra one. The plate in the middle is warm, so what I'll do is rub each mold on the plate to even the edges to make them easier to seal after I've added the hot chocolate. filled my molds with cocoa powder, marshmallows, peppermint chocolate, and Christmas sprinkles, but the possibilities are endless. I'll now seal the bombs by placing a piece of parchment paper on the back of the molds. I'll spread about 1 tablespoon of chocolate evenly across the back. Smoothen it just a little bit more and get any air bubbles out. Once the chocolate has slightly set, I'll place it on the back, press lightly, and place in the refrigerator for 5 minutes. Let's see which one has set. Now that they're fully sealed, I'll remove the excess chocolate, do a bit of decorating, and they'll be ready to be enjoyed. Let's put it to the test. I have my warm milk. In goes my cocoa bomb. Stir, 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 and it'll be ready to be enjoyed. Give them a try and let me know how they turned out. And as always, thanks for the support. Continue to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified every Tuesday and Friday when I post. Bye!